The general outlook for the upcoming fiscal year, Madam Speaker, is quite positive.
The itinerary has already been planned, and the island's tourism business will continue this year on a budget of $11.5 billion. The Ministry of Tourism also expects to earn $55.4 million as appropriations in aid to supplement its efforts. $1 billion from the budget will go towards supporting the ministry's general operational capacity. This will include activities to support the pension planning program, the preparation of Tourism Strategy Action Plan TSAP, the Risk Crisis and Disaster Management Plan, among others.
We will continue to infuse our warmth and culture in everything we do to remind the world that this is the #1 place to be.
The promotion of our country as the preferred tourism destination for new and existing markets is priority #1 on the ministry's list for this financial year. $5.7 billion will go towards achieving this target. From this figure, $2.4 billion is for tourism support services, which will largely maintain the Jamaica Tourist Board's offices with marketing programs to increase visitor arrivals. The remaining $3.3 billion is set aside for destination marketing, and this will mainly assist with the cost of Brand Jamaica's advertisements on the various media platforms.
Jamaica's tourism sector is ripe for investment.
A slice of the pie totaling $4.8 billion will go towards tourism development. Under that umbrella, $2.3 billion is being spent on tourism product enhancement to support the operational cost of the Tourism Enhancement Fund. Tourism business development is being given $253.2 million to support the 5 key tourism networks of health and wellness, gastronomy, shopping, knowledge, and sports and entertainment. Destination assurance will continue this financial year with $2.2 billion. This includes further works being done by the Tourism Product Development Company Limited, TPDCO, to strengthen visitors' experience. Also included are expenses to improve several small projects, such as the Trenchtown Performance Space, the Black River Streetscape, the Spruce Up Pond Corner project, and the Milk River Rehabilitation Program. Behind the monetary figures is a commitment by the Ministry of Tourism to keep the flights coming in, the ships sailing, hotels and attractions open, and tourism booming in all aspects for the 2022 to 2023 financial year and beyond.